In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites, which is a great platform for creating your own websites without needing any advanced technical skills. It's perfect for beginners and anyone looking to make a quick and efficient website. First, we'll head over to Google Sites, open your web browser and navigate to sites.google.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll notice a straightforward and user-friendly interface that welcomes you to start building your site. Next, let's explore the template gallery. Click on template gallery at the top of the page. Here, Google offers a variety of free templates to get you started. This is a huge time saver if you're new to web design or need a bit of inspiration. You can choose any template that caters to your needs or your niche. Play around and check out the different styles available. If you prefer starting from scratch, click on blank site, which allows you to create a site according to your own unique vision. Now let's add some elements to your fresh site. Start by adding a text box. This can be particularly useful for headlines, introductions, or any text-based content you wish to highlight. Find the text box option on your right panel and simply drag it onto your canvas. To make your site more visually engaging, add images. You can upload your own images or browse Google's options, ensuring your site looks professional and dynamic. Images play a critical role in grabbing the visitor's attention and conveying messages more effectively. For additional functionality or interactive content, consider embedding code. If you have a YouTube video, Twitter feed, or any HTML you want to insert, you can do so by selecting the Embed option. This step is crucial for adding depth and interactivity to your site. Google Drive integration makes things even more seamless. Add files from your Drive directly to your site, which can include PDFs, documents, spreadsheets, or presentations, allowing for comprehensive content sharing. Moreover, you can enhance your site by adding content blocks. These pre-designed block layouts help format your site consistently and professionally with minimal effort. To craft a multi-page site, click on the Pages tab. Here, you can add new pages by clicking the plus icon. This way you can organize content in a logical and user-friendly manner. If styling is your focus, click on Themes to explore a variety of pre-designed themes by Google. You can also create custom themes for a more personalized touch. Themes unify the aesthetic of your site, ensuring consistency across all pages. Finally, whether you pick a theme created by Google or customize your own, the Themes tab offers all the tools necessary to bring your site's unique flair to life. And there you have it, these are the fundamental steps to building your own Google site. Dive in, experiment with different features, and most importantly, have fun creating your unique online presence.